Hello everyone. I hope that everyone passing a great morning. So today's video is very effective but simple. So why today video is very simple, and today's video we will practice English practically. Practically meanings of we don't follow any grammar, even the concrete level vocabulary. We just practice in the real life situation. So a real life situation practice is very important. So we don't think about grammar, rules, about vocabulary. We just practice and we just express our thought and what I want to say, even what I can see around me. And today's video I will practice English in the practically way, and practically way is very important. So if I talk about my current situation, and in my current situation I am walking on a open field, and you can see this is the gigantic field, this is the open field, and I just practice in an open field, and I want to improve my speaking English, and I just try to express my thought. So my current situation is right now I am walking on the field, and you can see, and you just explain something about the field and what around happened you and what you can see surrounding you. You just explain something. So you can see, and you can see this is the gigantic field, and I am walking now, and this place is, and even you know that field has lots of benefit, but grounds have lots of benefit, and I am walking, and sometimes we are playing in the field, sometimes we are playing anything games and physical activities. But if I talk about the current condition of the field, the condition of the ground is very pure due to lack of maintenance, and you can see the surface of the field is very poor because it is not suitable for running and playing anything game. Even you can see surround the field has the forested, it is not forest, you can see the jungle, and the surrounding the field are jungle, and this is not suitable. Even the surface of the field, and there is a lot of hole, you can see the small hole, and even you cannot run and playing anything. But I just try to express my thought in English. If I don't express my thought English, I can't improve my speaking English. So at first we have to practice English in the practically way, and practically way means don't need grammar or vocabulary. We just express our thought, and we need fluency, we don't need perfection. If at the initial stage every beginner think that they want to speak English with the perfect grammar, but it is not possible, and you can't speak English with the perfect grammar. It is very difficult for every beginner, and at first you have to practice in the practical way. You just express your thought. Even what I mild sun has rising, the sunshine is mild and it is very suitable. Even a soft wind is flowing, and when it is touch my heart, and I feel, when it starts my body I feel comfortable, and this is the perfect situation. You can see the sunlight, the sky is full of, there is no cloud, the sky is full of blue, and which is looks so beautiful, and it was lovely scenario for the sky. And you can see this type of activity, and in this way you just express your thought, what you want to say. And current my situation, I just explain my current situation, because I know that I have no friend, even I have no partner with whom I can practice, but I always practice with myself, and even the practically way. So if I explain something about the sky, the sunshine is mild, it is so beautiful, really looks so beautiful. If I talk about the sky, there is no cloud, the sky full of blue, and which is looks so really beautiful. And you can see behind me the hilly area, it is far away from me, but you can't see in the mobile phone camera. But today I can see the hilly area. The reason behind is there is no cloud, the sky is clear, that's why everything's are clear, and I can see everything is clearly, and I can absorb anything, and this is the main thing. And I just practice English in the practical way, and you just practice, and practical method it's very important for every beginner. If I talk about the beginner level person, you just practice, and practice makes perfect, and you just try to express your thought in the practical way. And practical way is very important for the every learner, especially the beginner. When you practice in the practical way, and you can idea lots of idea what you, and so many incidents happen at the same time surrounding you. You just explain those things in English, and when you explain in English, then your mouth will be trained to speak speak in English. At the initial stage, we are fumbling, we are hesitant, we are stumbled to speak in English, even the public place. And when you try to speak English in front of the camera, we feel hesitated and we feel stumbled because we have no fluency, even we have no confidence. So when I speak in front of the camera, I can get the confidence. So confidence is very important. So if you want to enhance your confidence, at first you have to speak English in the practical way, in front of the mirror, in front of the camera, and in the real life situation. A man is cycling and I just seen it and lot of incident, and I just explain it. The ground is located middle of the resident, and this kind of activity you can see near you just explain those things to enhance your speaking English. So if you don't practice in the practical way, you can't improve your speaking English. So forget about those grammar, even the grammar rules, even the concrete level vocabulary. Especially you are reading lots of vocabulary in your academic session, you just utilize those words, those vocabulary to enhance your speaking English. At first we need fluency, and simple way is very effective, even it is very benefited for us. And I always try to improve my speaking English in the simple way, and you know that simple way is very effective for us. So if you want to enhance your speaking English, you just practice in the simple way, in the practical way, then you can improve. And if you have passion, then you can improve day by day. If you don't practice, you can't improve your speaking English. So best of luck everyone, have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video. Tata, bye.